Welcome back. In this video, I will introduce the simulation function of EasyEDA. There are two modes in EasyEDA. The first mode is standard mode, which is commonly used for PCB design. Another mode is the simulation mode, which is used for circuit simulation. The simulation mode of EasyEDA is based on LT-SPICE. If you have used LT-SPICE, you can get started with the simulation mode of EasyEDA very quickly. If you are not familiar with the simulation, you can click here to check our document tutorial. Here you can learn about the basic concept of simulation, how to use and create simulation models, basic usage, and advanced skills. If you encounter any problems, you can ask questions in our forum. Today we demonstrate the basic operation of simulation. First, we need to switch the standard mode to the simulation mode. You can click here to switch or click here to switch. Create a new project. Choose an owner. Add a title. Here we take the multi-vibrator as an example. Click Save. Ctrl S to add this schematic to the project. Next, let's place some components here. You can choose the component in ELIP or the SPICE library. ELIP includes supply flag, resistor, capacitor, and so on. You can choose different style using pull-down menu. There are virtual instruments and some commonly used components, which we introduced in detail in the previous video. As before, if we don't find what we want in ELIP, we can search in the SPICE library. We recommend choosing from the system library. There are catalogs on the left for classification. Our library is still in the process of improvement, and everyone is welcome to participate. It is worth noting that 74HC series chips can replace 74LS series for simulation because their simulation data are the same. Let's choose some components from ELIP to place. First, place a DC voltage source. Select the voltage source. Set the DC value to 5 volts. Or you can double-click here to edit. Then place a resistor. Space to rotate. Place two electrolytic capacitors. Place LEDs. Change the color of one of them to green. Place two NPN transistors. Now let's begin the wire connection. Place a 5-volt net flag. You can double-click to modify the name. Place GND. Connect two pins. Press shortcut key W to wire. We will set the component value later. You can use X and Y to flip horizontally or vertically. Place net flag on our circuit. set the value of the components. Box select them and drag to the upper left corner. Click the schematic to change the width and height. Ctrl A to select all and move to the origin. Ctrl S to save. Finishing the schematic, click here or use shortcut key F8 to run your simulation. Double-click to edit the simulation time. The unit is second. Run the simulation again. Now we can see the LED is blinking. We can put a logic analyzer here. Click the logic analyzer and set the clock rate to 1 Hz. Run the simulation. Click the logic analyzer, click view meter. Then we can see the waveform of the LED. We can check the simulation report here. You can download the netlist here. You can set different simulation modes here: transient, AC analysis, DC sweep, DC transfer, and so on. More information and usage are described in the document. Now, a simple simulation circuit is complete. See you next video.